There are several accessory options for your Scarecrow costume. You don't just have to go with your Scarecrow costume alone. There are a couple of other items you can take with you to further amplify the effect, depending on what type of effect you're going for. First off, you can have things stuffed in your shirt, things that are kind of coming out of your collar, out the cuffs of your shirt sleeves. For example, there's a couple items that you can use for this. I prefer newspaper. Newspaper is great. It's available. A lot of people use it to stuff things. Now, you could say that, whoa. Scarecrows, they're stuffed with straw, right? They're stuffed with more grass material. That's more realistic. You know, you have a point. Also, it's very, very itchy. Even if you don't have allergies, it's very abrasive against the skin. Yeah, you can tape it inside your shirt if you want to. I'd much more recommend, though, using either newspaper. If you want more of a hay effect, you can always shred yellow colored paper or even highlight or otherwise color it in afterwards and tape it to you. To me, newspaper still gives a great stuffed quality and is a great alternative. In addition to newspaper stuffing, you can carry around a pumpkin. Come on, you're a pumpkin head. It'd be kind of cool to have another little prop carrying around with you all night long. People are definitely going to see the family resemblance, especially if you have your pumpkin carved similarly to your face. The last thing, you can always have a scythe. I mean, after all, scarecrows are protecting the harvest. Scythe is associated with the harvesting.